This clip right here that y'all watching right now is the newest clip out of all the clips. You feel me? Um, it's like the newest clip out of all the clips. So, right now it's day 15 on my fruit diet. As y'all could tell by the title, I'm attempting and I will complete the challenge. There, like, you feel me? Like, I will complete the challenge, but I am going on a 90-day fruit diet. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm just trying to heal myself. I'm trying to, master myself, and, whatever comes with mastering yourself, count me all in. You feel me? I'm stepping out my comfort zone with this. I ain't gonna lie, And, sometimes I do be getting bad thoughts and shit like that. Like, and I try to stay in the present moment while I'm on this detox journey. Because if I start imagining, oh, I can't wait of how I'll look like after I'm done with the 90 days. And then every time I be like doing that, I be getting negative thoughts like, damn, what if I don't make it? But, I gotta erase that shit out of my mind because that thought that I just got is an illusion. It don't exist. Right? So I'm staying in the present moment with this shit, taking it day by day. Um, Detoxing my body, my skin's clearing up, my mental clarity's right. I got that dog back. I got that, like, I'm purpose driven again. You feel me? So we consistent on every single platform. YouTube's gonna be just vlogs. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie. So that's what we own. So, I'll be showing y'all and shit, giving y'all updates and shit like that on my, fruit diet journey, detox journey, and shit like that. So yeah, man. Shit, I was gonna do some pull-ups and some ab workouts on the bar, but y'all, I just injured everything on my everything on top of my body is injured right now. I gotta recover, but I did, as y'all seen, I did some dips. I did 40 dips on bro. Everything I love, I did 40 dips. You feel me? I did that other workout. I forgot what's it called. I did push-ups. I did some tricep dips. You feel me? My triceps are burning. They're in flames right now. I ain't gonna lie. Like my triceps is burning. Oh, bro, like everything burning right now. I gotta recover. Like I still wanna work out tomorrow though. I don't wanna miss no days. Like you feel me? I ain't trying to sugarcoat nothing. This year we ain't sugarcoating nothing. You feel me? We ain't sugarcoating nothing. You know, but I don't know if I have to rest. Should I rest? You feel me? Like I don't even know what to do for real. All right, y'all, man. So last night, as y'all seen, man, as I was talking about, I injured myself. I woke up with a Charlie leg this morning. My whole arm hurt and shit. I can't even bend this motherfucker. You feel me? Like, but I'm still gonna work out today. I'm just not gonna do calisthenics because like my triceps is dead. It's like my triceps are dead right now. You feel me? So, we gonna be doing some weight workouts, bro. We gonna take a 2 days break from calisthenics. So we're gonna be doing weight workouts. You feel me? Like how I'm working out and shit. That's how I burn. That's how I get cut, chat. Like there's no like 30 minutes workout, like for real. Just like that. Do that like 4 times and you set for the day, bro. You don't need to do like an hour workout, 2 hour workout. Honestly, 20 minutes to 30-minute workout, non-stop. Feel me? We're gonna get back. You feel me? We actually working here. You feel me? So I was in the house and like I was just getting thoughts of like just quitting. So if I ever like feel drained or tired or whatever, I go right outside. And right when I go outside, be outside for about 30 minutes and shit. And I come back inside and I feel right back good. You feel me? I feel, like me again. All right, yeah. Um, it's the next day. You feel me? I'm finna work out right now. You feel me? We don't miss no days working out, man. You feel me? You see the abs, man. You see it. Yeah. You know the six pack coming in too. Stop playing. You know we working, and we staying silent about it. You know we saying everything that like we doing everything that we said we was gonna do. You feel me? You gotta do everything you say you was gonna do. That's how you gonna trust yourself for real. Like I'm trusting myself each and every day, eat more and more. You feel me? Because I'm keeping promises to myself. Still on this fruit cleanse. Day 15, bro. This is day 15. Still on the fruit cleanse, bro. You feel me? And we looking good. You feel me? Like a lot of people say, bro, you don't need no protein, bro. Like look, bro, just look at me. Look at me, bro. You feel me? Stop playing, bro. Like this is just hard work, dedication. You gotta really want this shit though. Like you just can't. You feel me? Half ass. You know, like some days ain't gonna be 100%, but at least you show up. You feel me? Some days ain't gonna be 100%. It's impossible to be 100% every single day. You feel me? Because we have mixed emotions throughout the whole year. You feel me? So like we gonna get this workout in though. No cap. All right, man. You know, we outside in the sun and shit, cause you know I was getting a little tired in the house, so you know I need the sun. Got me some oranges. You know, had some ashwagandha tea this morning and stuff like that. You know, had a little orange mukbang with y'all boys, man. Um, you know, this year, like I want everybody to succeed, bro. You know, like I got so many plans this year that you know, we finna stay quiet about because we want the plans to actually to execute, you know. So I got so many plans, bro. I got like, bro, you know what feels so good is when like you got so many plans and like you're so happy about it. Look, I got orange, and like you're so happy about it, like you feel me? It's like you so happy about it and shit, and it's like, damn, man. So, it just makes you excited about life, you know? Once you start taking care of yourself, like, I always speak on it because it's like, it's so true, bro. You know? Like, I want everybody in the world, like, there's people every day stressed out because of life, because how life was created, you know? Like, you need money to be somebody. Like, you need, like, people's mindsets, people's way of living is just all effed up, man. You know? Like, you could still live life, you know? And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to survive, man. Like, survival, it's it's depressing. It's stressful. It's like, bro, no one, like, that's why I'm doing the truth diet too, because I want to live life. You know, I want to feel good within, because if I feel good within, now I can really start making money for real life. Make as much money as I want. You feel me? Doing what I love, not doing what I hate. You feel me? Like, I don't hustle. Hustle, nah, that's out of there. I ain't gonna lie, that's out. So, you know, we outside in the sun, man. You know, it's all about what you do outside of work. You know, I see a lot of people stressed out, you know, because of work, school, whatever it is. You in college, do what you want in this lifetime. I'm trying to tell you, do what you want. You don't have to live by society standards, man. Like, that's why people are so sad, because they're living by society standard. Oh, as soon as you got out of high school, you got to go to college. As soon as you got out of college, you got to get you a 9 to 5 and work that 9 to 5 until you're 60, 70. Now you can enjoy life. No, we try to enjoy life in our 20s. We try to enjoy life in our 30s. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we ain't trying to enjoy life when we 70. And don't get me wrong. When I'm 70, I'm still gonna be looking like I'm 20. You feel what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, bro. Niggas ain't trying to celebrate life at 70. We trying to celebrate life now. Why not do it now? Feel me? Because by the time I'm 70, I'm gonna have my own island, my own land, big ass house, with a big ass family. That's what you feel me? That's what I'm trying to have by 70. You feel me? Like, just chilling every day, eating fruit, have my own farm. But yeah, man, that's what we on, bro. You know, and I'm gonna keep this channel just vlogs. I'm done with the talking videos. I'm done with that shit. You know, I'm still doing talking videos, but I'm gonna be doing that on my TikTok, Instagram. You know, I'm aligning myself with my business that I'm about to create and shit like that. And that's why I'm doing this food diet too. Everything's all about alignment. Once you in alignment, you ain't gotta worry about shit in life. You ain't never gotta worry a day in your life, because you know you're on the right track. And the universe have no choice but to bless you, my boy. When you're in alignment, the universe have no choice but to bless you. They're literally forced to bless you with the life that you want, because you are in alignment. So when you are in alignment, you shouldn't have any worries about anything, because what else more can you do? You get what I'm saying? So if you think like that, you're like, okay, I got nothing else to worry about because I'm in alignment. You feel me? But when you're not in alignment, yes, you have everything to worry about, because where is your life headed? You know, and like, that's what I have to tell myself. You know, let's get back into alignment. You know, sometimes we slip off track and shit. You know, but let's get back into alignment, man. So that's what I'm doing, and you know, I'm not worried about nothing right now. I'm really not. I'm not, like, there's no anxiety in my bones right now. There's no depression in my bones. There's nothing in my bones right now. There's no worry in my bones. I know everything's gonna happen for me and what I need in my life and what's going to make me improve in my life and shit like that, you know? So alignment is key in everybody's life. You have to be in alignment, you know? The same way that you in alignment and going to that 9 to 5 every day should be the same way you're doing it to follow your actual dreams in life. You feel me? Like, I don't give a fuck about my 9 to 5 job. That shit is ass, bro. You know, that's why I'm in alignment, so I could live the life that I want to live. I want to travel. I want to meet new people. I want to, like, vlog, traveling, you know, streaming, whatever it is, bro. Like, that's what I want to do. That's like, this is what I want to do. You feel me? So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I just want to thank y'all for watching this vlog, man. If you made it to the end, man, make sure you guys hit that like button, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, man. You know, damn, drop the orange. But you know, it's been your boy Beast Awaken, man. This shit juicy. And I'm out, man. Peace.